about recontext?
I have learned about definition, social function, genetic structure, and language feature.
What have you understood about recontext?
The function of recontext to inform the readers about past event or experience, to document important moment as a personal or historical record, to entertain the readers through interesting or human stories. Language feature are the elements of language used in the text that help shapes its meaning and achieve its purpose.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part was the personal recount because it told real life story that were easy to understand.
Give the suggestion for the presentation.
They explained the material as well, but they didn't fully understand and their response was still not clear.
Group 2. What have you learned about biography?
I learned about definition, social function, purpose, structure, and language feature of biography.
What have you learned understood about biography?
A biography is a text that tells the story of a real person's life, its function of important event, achievement, and contribution that person has made. Social function. The social function of biography to inform readers about remains, life, and accomplishment, to inspire the readers to the person experience to status. Purpose of biography to learn about a historical or important figure. Genetic structure, orientation, event, and reorientation. Language feature of biography with simple past tense, action verbs, time connector, specific names and dates.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
Knowing how the person faces challenges and becomes successful.
Group 3. What have you learned about itinerary?
I learned the definition, social function, and structure of itinerary.
What have you understood about itinerary?
Itinerary is a detailed travel plan that shows the place to visit and want to do each day.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part was seeing the daily activities and their itinerary.
Give the suggestion for this presentation.
Try to manage time better. Some parts we were too fast, others too slow.
Group 5. What have you learned about asking and giving direction?
I learned the definition, how to start the conversation, and useful direction vocabulary.
What have you understood about asking and giving direction?
Asking for giving direction meaning asking someone how to get to place. Giving direction means telling someone how to reach a place. Example like turn right, go straight, go past. It's your right, across from, next to, at the, corner of.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was when the speaker showed example clearly. It was easy to follow and helpful.
Give suggestion for our presentation.
They should try to explain using their own words.
Group 5. What have you learned about table and schedule?
I learned the definition, social function, and language feature of the table and schedule.
What have you understood about table and schedule?
A table is to know. A table is a way to show information clearly in rows and columns. A schedule is a plan that lists activities with a specific time.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The most interesting part was how the table and schedule made everything clear and easy to follow.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation was good. They could improve by adding more detail and comparable information.
Group 6. What have you learned about request?
I learned the definition, social functions, structure, language feature, and elements.
What have you understood about request?
Because it's when someone asks for something to be done, give, or considered. It can be formal or informal and used in daily or official illusions.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The language feature, especially the example of formal and informal requests.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
The presentation was good, but they should present it more seriously and confidently.
Group 7. What have you learned about procedure text?
I learned the definition, purpose, structure, language feature, and elements of procedure text.
What have you understood about procedure text?
Procedure text gives step-by-step instruction how to make something like a recipe, or usually start with how to, and common in cookbooks or manual.
What is the most interesting during the presentation?
The language feature, because they clearly explain how to use commute and time words in a recipe.
Give suggestion for the presentation.
The material was creative, but they should pronounce by words more confidently.